math.h header file, we can interact with the mathematical function. Okay. So what are the mathematical functions are available? One is ceiling number, floor, square root, power. Another is absolute. So these are the different mathematical functions we're using here. Okay.
Okay.
So we're using ceiling 3.6, ceiling 3.3. Now we go for the example. ଗୋଟେ minute.
I guess.
Okay, so it is showing you ceiling of 3.6 is 4, 3.3 of ceiling is 4.0, floor of 3.2 is 3.0, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 7 is 2.64, then power 2 to the power 4 is 16, 3 to the power 3 is 27, absolute value. Absolute value means it is present in the minus. Now we convert it into plus. So here we are using absolute value here. Okay. बुझेला?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
এটা হলো আমরা ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল ফাংশন all about it. Next is our structure. Are allowed to define a type of variable that hold several data items of the same kind. The array is used for storing more than one element in a single memory location, but they having the different they having the same data type. But array structure is helping you to store number of elements in a single memory allocation. Okay, but they are having different data type. Okay, so you can store the different type of value in a single memory location by using a structure. The structures are used to represent a record. Suppose you want to keep track of your book in a library, you may want to track the following attribute about the each book, like title of the book, author of the book, subject, then book ID. Okay. To define the structure, you must use the struct statement. The struct statement defines a new data type with more than one number. The format of the structure statement is as follows: struct, then struct tag, then member definition, the variable or function we define here. Okay, that is defined in the structure tag. Now for defining a structure, how you have to use structure, my structure, then you define any variable character A, int B, then float C. Now for getting the structure value, first you have to define structure name, then structure variable. So this is called as the structure variable. So that variable,
स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल टा केमति हमें माने मेंशन करिया एठी जो माय वेयर लिखा हिचे सेटा केमिति मेंशन हला
ए टाइप रो लिखा हो एटा होची स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल struct name my variable.
अच्छा 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 से जो माय वेयर टा जो रहिला सेटा कोन सब आडे से माय वेयर ही रहिबो ना अलगा भी किछ रहि परियो
Variable name, you can define any kind of name.
आगे सर
Variable name टा अछि either एमती डिफाइन करि परिबा नले स्ट्रक्चर एई जगह रे भी मु एठी लिखि परिबी माय वेयर जेंति एठी लिखा स्ट्रक्चर बुक टाइटल ऑथर सब्जेक्ट बुक आईडी देन बुक ए दिटा वे हम डिफाइन करिबे इट इज अ वन वे इट इज अनदर वे.
आगे सर स्ट्रक्चर एक्चुअल यूज टा कोन माने कोठी हमें सेटा को यूज कर परिया
जोटे हम गोटे सिंगल लोकेशन में मल्टीपल वैल्यू स्टोर करबा को चाहू छी तो से जगह रे हम स्ट्रक्चर यूज करिवे.
आगे सर
excuse me.
सर strcpy रो काम कोन थिला आउथटे कहबे
Copy करियो predefined method. So here we define a structure. Structure book. So in the structure we store the title, author, subject and book ID. Okay. Then in main method we are creating the two variable of structure. Books book 1, then books book 2. So two variable here we define. Then for storing the the element in the structure copy book 1 dot title, C programming. For storing the character value we are using copy, str copy method. Okay. Then here is suppose the subject we define here array. Then for storing the integer value, directly you have to store book dot one, book ID is 649507. Then for book
এটা
2,
এমতি কাই লেখা হলো
এটা হচ্ছে ইন্টিজর ভ্যালু ପାଇଁ strcpy লিখিବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଆମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ଏମିତି ଲେଖିପାରିବା।
আচ্ছা
ବୁଝେ? Then book title, book author যারা book subject telecom billing tutorial, then book id equals to 649570. Now for getting the book 1 details, for the string value percentile s, book 1 dot title, book 1 dot author, book 1 dot subject, book 1 dot book id. Similarly for book 2 dot title, book 2 dot author, book 2 dot subject, book 2 dot book id. Okay, it is retrieve all the record here.
I guess.
Then structure course, character, website, subject and price. Then by creating a structure variable, struct name variable is C. Okay, the website suppose we are defining here. Subject is C programming language, price is 0. And now we are printing the value. There. Website C programming language, then price is 0. A small program.
I guess so.
Structure employee int id character name. Then structure variable is e1.
Hmm.
e1 dot id.
Hmm.
Okay, then here I pass Manas e1 dot id, then e1 dot name.
Hmm.
Okay, employee one ID is 101, employee dot name is Manas Sahu.
Hmm.
Okay, so your
आगे सर.
structure is over. Okay, so in the next class, I start with the union. Okay, acha,
आगे सर.